How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the BT Factory. We have our guest Mitch here, dropping off his beautiful A6 3.0 supercharged. He has our ECU and TCU tune. In the video, you're gonna see a stock, a stage one, and a single pulley video all in one day. Good stuff, right? The one thing I will tell you guys is we're going up against some rain and humidity, so you know the 3.0s don't really like that. But other than that, she performed very well. Alright guys, quick little update here. You just saw we did a stock run into stage one. Now it's time to throw this little bad boy on, show you guys what it can do. So let's get to it.
Oh yeah, she's coming forward. Yeah. Boom. Woo! Just like that.
Just to go over the numbers with you guys, she ended up at 391 torque, 408 horsepower. Coming from stock, 280 horsepower and 302 torque. So, other than that, Mitch, what do you think about the whole experience?
Dude, the car will never be the same after the boost dynamic sauce, man. You gotta give it to him. This thing is insane.
Thank you. Just to let you guys know, we have a draggy run with our stage one right now. It rains, so you can't do a single pulley video, but we have the launch control at 3,000 RPMs. That's right. It is a conventional ZF transmission, but it still has this special sauce. Other than that, guys, thank you for tuning in. Hit that like and subscribe button. Other than that, guys, stay tuned.